Hello everyone, welcome back to Advances in Perspective. Today we're going to be discussing one of the most beloved children's stories of all time, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. While both the original and the remake have their fans, in this video we'll be exploring why the original is superior in 5 key ways. So sit back, grab some chocolate, and let's dive in. Reason 1. The characters are more memorable. The characters in the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory are some of the most memorable in all of children's literature. From the eccentric and imaginative Willy Wonka, to the greedy and gluttonous Augustus Gloop, to the spoilt and selfish Veruca Salt, these characters are unique and unforgettable. The remake, while it had some good casting choices, failed to capture the charm and quirkiness of the original characters. Willy Wonka, for example, is played by Gene Wilder in the original film, and he brings a level of whimsy and wit to the character that just can't be beat. The Wonka in the remake, while good, just doesn't have the same spark and charisma. The same can be said for the other characters in the film. In the original, each character is quirky and unique, while in the remake they just feel generic and uninspired. Reason 2. The music is timeless. The music in the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is simply unforgettable. From The Candy Man to I Want It Now, the songs in the film have been passed down from generation to generation and still hold up today. The music in the remake, while good in its own right, just doesn't have the same staying power as the original. What sets the music in the original apart is the way it blends seamlessly into the story. The songs are woven into the fabric of the film, becoming an integral part of the world of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. In the remake, the songs feel like they were added as an afterthought, breaking up the flow of the story. The music in the original is just as much a character in the film as Willy Wonka or Charlie Bucket. Reason 3. The world building is more imaginative. The world of the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a magical and imaginative one, filled with wonder and mystery. From the chocolate river to the everlasting gobstopper, the film takes you on a journey that you won't soon forget. The remake, while visually stunning, fails to capture the same sense of wonder and magic. What sets the original apart is the attention to detail. From the sets to the special effects, everything feels handmade and unique. The world of the original feels like it was created by a master craftsman, while the world of the remake feels like it was created by a computer. The original film invites you to explore and discover its world, while the remake just feels like a shallow imitation. Reason 4. The acting is superb. The acting in the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is simply superb. Gene Wilder as Willy Wonka is a performance for the ages, and the supporting cast is equally strong. The remake, while featuring some good performances, just can't match the acting prowess of the original. What sets the acting in the original apart is the chemistry between the actors. Wilder and the children, especially Charlie, have a natural and effortless rapport that makes you believe in their characters and their story. In the remake, the chemistry between the actors feels forced and unnatural. The interactions between the characters in the original feel like they are happening in the moment, while in the remake they feel staged and rehearsed. The acting in the original is just as much a part of the magic of the film as the world building or the music. Reason 5. The story is more heartwarming. The story of the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a heartwarming one, full of hope and the triumph of the human spirit. Charlie Bucket, a poor boy from a broken home, wins the chance of a lifetime to visit Willy Wonka's chocolate factory and meets a cast of unforgettable characters along the way. The story in the remake, while similar, lacks the emotional punch of the original. What sets the original apart is the subtlety of the storytelling. The message of the film, that hard work and determination can overcome any obstacle, is woven into the fabric of the story in a way that is both subtle and powerful. In the remake, this message is hammered home in a heavy-handed way, taking away from the emotional impact of the story. The original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is a film that will make you laugh, make you cry, and leave you with a warm feeling in your heart. So there you have it, folks. 5 reasons why the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is superior to the remake. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching Advances in Perspective.